It's very easy to connect the MetaVis suite of products to Office 365 because MetaVis uses Microsoft's web services, so there's no agents to install. You just have to have permission to access the various objects that are available in Office 365 via SharePoint Web Services. So I'd just like to show you how easy it is to connect. Basically, if you want to connect to Office 365, you just click on To Site. You can name it as a project, then you type in the site address of the SharePoint site collection or a specific sub-site that you're looking for, and put that in there, and you click Finish. It'll prompt you for your credentials to access that particular site. You can just type those in. If you notice, you'll see that it's typically your email address with whatever your sub-site is, and then whatever domain you've chosen. You click Connect, and it will connect to the site. Once it's connected and access the site, you can see, if you're in the architect mode, which we're in right now, you can see your taxonomy, your list and libraries visually, all of your content types and their relationships. And then if you have architect, obviously you can create and manage your taxonomy through this interface and provision it back up to Office 365. If you switch to migrator mode, which we'll do right now, the GUI's a little different. You can access your list and libraries and your other sites through this interface. You can also, if you have our Outlook and public folders outlined, you can drag and drop right from your Outlook and Exchange public folders into Office 365. If we want to copy, let's say, a 2007 site into the new Office 365 we just accessed, it's very easy. You can just do copy on top of the site, and then you can paste it into Office 365 by doing paste, and it'll bring up the site copy dialog, which allows you to copy to an existing site if you want to overwrite what you have, or in this case we want to copy to a new site. Let's say we want to create as a subsite. We can rename the site if we want. We have all kinds of options that we can check off, such as copying all the subsites and permissions and web parts and features, and obviously with list copy you can copy your versions, your permissions. You can also copy your workflows and your info path forms to the new Office 365, which supports that. You can also remap your users and templates. You can apply a filter if you want to maybe filter based upon everything that's changed a month ago. And you can also copy your look and feel if you want. So you can pick and choose what you want and give it a try to see what best fits your requirement. If you click Next, it kind of reviews what it's going to do. And you can also generate a script. So if you want to use PowerShell or some other scheduler to schedule it to run at a specific time, it'll go ahead and do that for you. So you can access and schedule that to do different things. If you click Finish, it will then go ahead and begin copying the site for you. And you can run this in the background, and it'll have the jobs running, and it's multi-threaded, so you can keep doing that while we're looking. You can also copy anything from your Outlook and your Exchange, such as your emails, any folder. You can drag and drop them into SharePoint. If I want to take this task and drop it into the new Office 365, I can just go ahead and do that. You can name it. I already have one there, so that's why it's doing that. And then you can go ahead and create the list called Task in the Office 365. Okay. So now you'll see it right there. You can also cut and paste individual items, lists. You can pull from your file system if you want and drag it into Office 365. So I encourage you to download the product, connect to Office 365, and give it a try to move your sites, to move your Outlook and public folders to Office 365, to move your legacy SharePoint sites to Office 365. It's completely agentless. You just have to make sure you have permission.